Welcome to Great American RV. Today we are checking out the 2024 Fleetwood Flex 34J. Starting off with the outdoor kitchen for your family, it has a sink, microwave, and refrigerator. And you can also watch games or your favorite shows outside on the exterior TV. This 36-foot coach sleeps 10, has a Jackknife Sofa across from the Dream Dinette with a mounted TV. Kitchen has stainless steel double bowl sink, stainless steel refrigerator, and a pantry with adjustable shelving, which is next to the bathroom that has a medicine cabinet with a mirror, stainless steel sink, and a large ABS shower surround. For the kids, we have a couple bunks with tablet holders and more entertainment across the hallway. The bedroom has a king bed, reading lights, overhead storage, and wardrobe cabinets. For more sleeping, the front cab area has an electric drop-down bed, captain's chairs, and a large camera display. Come visit us at Great American RV Superstores, making memories one weekend at a time.